Now paper number 78, Ssc Chsl. Then coming to question number 26 onwards. 26 onwards comes under this reasoning section. Then, now how many persons are there? There are some 8 persons seated around a square table. And all these persons are facing towards the center. 4 of them are at either of the corners, while the remaining 4 are at the centers of this one. Now 4 persons are sitting at the centers of these sides, and these 4 are at the corners. And B is south to the right of F, who is in immediate neighbor of both H and A. E and E are sitting opposite, C is seated second to the left of G. Now C is seated second to the left of G, isn't it? As C is seated second to the left of G, G is here, C is here. And G, who is at the corner of the table. And next one, any other information that is related to this? E and E are opposite. E and E are opposite. And next one, B is south to the right of F. F, who is an immediate neighbor of H and A. F is an immediate neighbor of H and A. As F is an immediate neighbor of H and A, let us take the possibilities for this F. F cannot be here. F cannot be here, isn't it? F cannot be here. And there are 3 different possibilities. And F is at this place. Now if you take F is at this place, F is an immediate neighbor of whom? F is an immediate neighbor of both H and A. Now HRA or HRA will be here, isn't it? F is an immediate neighbor, and B is south to the right of F. And B is south to the right of F, 1, 2, 3, then B will be here. Now B is here, then H will be here, because E and E are opposite. Then A will be here, E will be at this place. Then any other information that is left over here? B is south to the right of F, and F, who is an immediate neighbor of both H and A. E and E are sitting opposite to each other, and C is seated second to the left of G, G, who is at the corner. Then who is sitting opposite to G? Ma G ka opposite the person is left over. And who is that person? D is the person left over. Now D, and it is given choice 1, question number 26. Done with this? Then 27. Ma 27 Japal. Now tell me what is the element that is repeated here? Yes. Now how many elements are there? 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now 16 can be written as 4 into 4. Now if you divide the given sequence into 4 into 4, then check out the first elements. What are the first element? N is common. Here also N, here also N. NO-NE none, NO-NE none, NO-NE none. Hence what are the elements that are left over? O double N, O triple N E. O triple N E, that is choice 2, question number 27. Then 28. Now interchanging the symbols. Then tell me which 2 we need to interchange here, into and plus. Now this is plus and into. Now if you have made this one correction here, and 5 divided by 18, is it possible? No. Hence that is ruled out. Hence any change must be there with the help of this division. And 5 divided by 18, the division ikkada nunchi maaripovali. Then next one, division and minus. Now if you had interchange this division and minus. Now this is division, and this would be minus. Change of 174 into 23 divided by how much? Divided by 58 plus 5 minus 18. Then what is the value of this one? Now 58, how many times it goes? Now 58 and 174 on the, and 58 as 29 twos. Ikkada manaki enna vastunda 29 twos, and 29 how many times it goes? And 58 is 29. Here 29 ఎన్నిసార్లు పోతుంది చెప్పండి? 6తో పోతుంది ఏమైనా? 30 into 6 కదా, 180. 180లోంచి 6 పోయింది. And 50, అది 58. Now 29. Now 29 to 29, 6 కదా. మరి 2 and 3 times పోతుంది కదా 58 divided. Then 3 into 23, 69. Now 69 plus 5, and 74. Now 74 minus 18, that is 56. Choice 3 is the answer, 28. Then coming to this 29, 29 is happened. Now in this 29, now we need to find out the figure that has to be completed in this. Now first change, now this is a square. Now first we need to get a square here, next another square, and this is the line, and from this line, then you need to have, okay, diagram like this. Then tell me what is your answer in this case? No, choice 4 is the answer. Now, ikkada kuda avutundi idi, but where it is at the center of the square వస్తుంది. కానీ మనకి ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి చెప్పండి, కార్నర్ ఆఫ్ ద స్క్వేర్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు బి అటాచ్డ్. హెన్స్ చాయిస్ 4. Then coming to question number 30. మా 30th చేశారా? And analogies here. Now P, L, M and G, S, D. Now P and G, what is the difference between these two? Now P నుంచి G, 16 and 7, that is 9. 18 and 9, 9. Next one, 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9, 8. And the first letter must be H. Among the given choices, first letter H, that is given in choice 4. And next to 31st. Now there are some 5 products J, K, L, M, N are priced differently in a general store. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these were placed differently in a general store. L is cheaper than K, L is cheaper than K, but costlier than N as well as J. M is costlier than K. And which product is the third costliest? M, K, L. Which is the third costliest here? L. L, that is choice 3, question number 31. Next one, 32. Now here in this 32, the sequence of folding a paper, paper folding and paper cutting. Now in this paper folding and paper cutting, now tell me what is your answer in this case. Now here, now first 1/4 of the paper has been folded like this, and ఇంతవరకు fold అవుతుంది, half work. Then ఇందులో next మళ్ళీ ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి, this part will be folded into this side. Hence when open, ఇక్కడ మనకు పంచ్ అయింది కదా, ఇది ఓపెన్ అయినప్పుడు ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది చెప్పండి, this will be affected. Isn't it? Again ఇక్కడ నుంచి పైకి మనకి ఓపెన్ అయినప్పుడు ఈ ముక్కే ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది, కనుక ఈ రెండు as it is that will be there. Hence what is your answer? Choice 4 is the answer. Clear? మనం ఏ పార్ట్ అయితే ఫోల్డ్ అయింది అదే పార్ట్ అంతే పార్ట్ మనం ఓపెన్ చేస్తే then you will get those squares. Then 33. Now in this question number 33, in a class of how many persons are there? 35 students. Raghu is 15th from the left. Samir is 6th to the right of Raghu. And Samir is 6th from the right another. Raghu 35 students unnaru kada. And Raghu is 15 and Samir is 6th to the right of Raghu means 15 plus 6, 21. And so what is the position of this one? And Samir is 21st from the left hand side. Isn't it? Then మనకి టోటల్ ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? 35. And 35 minus 21 ఎంత? 14 plus 1, 15. Because we need to count this Samir once again from the right hand side. Hence the difference between these two plus 1. సరిపోయిందా? And 15 choice 1, question number 33. Then 34, 5, 9, 19. మా 5, 9, 19 చెప్పాలి. ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? And 5 into 2, 10 minus 1. 9 into 2, 18 plus 1. 19 into 2, 38 minus 1. Into 2 plus 1. Into 2 minus 1. And 150 minus 1, 149, choice 2, question number 34. Then in this 35. Now in this 35, 15 plus 39 is 27 antunam. Then tell me how are you getting this one, 15 plus 19? Now 15 plus 39, what is the sum of this one? Now sum to em vastundi cheppandi. Now 39 minus 15 or 15 plus 39. Now if you take 15 plus 39, that is how much? And 54. 54 divided by 2, 27. Now 24 plus 26 and the 15. 50 divided by 2, 25. That means sum of these two by 2. That means average of these two numbers is the next number. And similarly here again 19 plus 23. And those 42. 42 divided by 2, 21, that is choice 3. And next one, mirror image. Now in this mirror image, tell me what is the choice we have? The perfect mirror image to this one. Third option. Now the mirror image to this figure. Now from here to here, this triangle must be to the left hand side. Left hand side, this is ruled out. And next one, circle is to the right hand side. Now this one, which is pointing towards right, now it must be towards left hand. Now here how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4 lines were there. Here only 3 lines. Here there are 4 lines. Choice 3 is the answer, 36. Then coming to this 37, it is based on syllogisms. And all these bottles are what? Plates. All bottles are plates or no? These are the bottles that are plates. And all plates are spoons. And some plates are utensils. Then first one, some spoons are utensils or not? Some spoons are utensils, that is true. All utensils are bottles, that is false. All bottles are spoons, that is true. And so what is your answer? 1 and 3. Now only 1 and 3, that is choice 2, question number 37. Then 38th one. Now in this question number 38, it is based on non-verbal series. Now starting from the, now one element is there, next 2, 3, 4, next we need to have 5 elements. Then here, now this is pointing towards north, south, north, south, next element must be towards north. North, south, north, south, north, 5 elements, that is choice 1. Now saripotunda? Next one 39. Now in this question number 39, now it is based on letter series. A, B, C, then D, E, F, G, H, I. Here one letter is missing out. Here H and I, 2 letters are missed out. K, L, K, L, M and O, 3 letters are missed out. Avuna kada? Next any letters miss ayipoli 4. S, T, U, V. If 4 letters S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. W, X, Y, and W, X, and Y, only 3 letters, that is choice 1. 39, it is choice 1. Now saripotunda? Then 40th. Now in this question number 40, P plus Q and so on, B is the child of K in the following expression. B is the child of K, not T percentage. T percentage means T is the mother of Q. Now this T is the mother of K, and next one K hash. K hash means hash stands for K is the husband of F. Now K is the husband of F, K and F are married couple, K is a male, F is a female, F percentage. Now F percentage, F is the mother of whom? F is the mother of L. Now this F is the mother of L, L plus N. L is the sister of N. Now this L is the sister of N, N question mark B. Question mark B means, now finally we need to have B is the child of K raval. B is the child of K raval and ela raval cheppandi. B is the child of K. Now K is here. Now we were at N. N దగ్గర ఉన్నాం కదా. N దగ్గర ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి ఏమైపోవాలి? L and N are siblings to each other. Then N కి పేరెంట్ K కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు ఎవరు ఉండాలి? Then B. ఇప్పుడు B కూడా మనకి K కి చైల్డ్ అవ్వాలంటే ఏమవ్వాలి? N and B are siblings to each other. అయితే బ్రదర్ అవ్వచ్చు, సిస్టర్ అవ్వచ్చు. మరి ఇందులో బ్రదర్ అండ్ సిస్టర్లు ఏముంది చెప్పండి? సిస్టర్ ప్లస్ ఒకటి ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇంకా హస్బెండ్, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ డాటర్, పర్సంటేజ్ ఇస్ మదర్ అండ్ బ్రదర్. బ్రదర్ ఉంది కదా, హెన్స్ plus or at the rate of, you will get the answer choice 2. In either of these 2 cases, that person is a sibling. Sibling means child of this K. B is the child of K. 40. Then question number 41. Now 41 chesara. Now in this 41, the code given to the word means, MEANS means, and its code is NGDRX. NGD, R and X. M and N, tell me what is the difference between plus 1. E and G plus 2. Plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. And similarly light. Light code L, I, G, H, T light. Now in this one, L plus 1 is M, I plus 2 K, G plus 3 J, 4, and this is 5. M, K, J, L, Y. M, K, J, L, Y, choice 1, question number 41. Then coming to this 42, 24th June 2012 Wednesday. Isn't it? 24th June 2012, and it is Wednesday. Now as it is Wednesday, then what day of the week will be? 30th July 2016. మనం ఏం చేయలేము? ఫస్ట్ 24th June 2012 నుంచి 30th July 2012 విత్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ ఇయర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. క్లియర్? 24th June ఆల్రెడీ వెన్స్డే. ఇంకెన్ని రోజులు ఉన్నాయి జూన్లో? 6 days. నో జూన్ 6. జూలై మనకి ఎంతవరకు కావాలి? 30th July వరకు కావాలి. 30th July means 28 plus 2. And that is how many odd days? 8 days. 8 divided by 7, 1 day. Hence, 30th July 2012 is on which day? 1 day to Wednesday, that is Thursday. Mentavaraku clear? Within the same year. Then ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది? 2016. Now 30th July 2012 Thursday, 30th July 2016. How many years are there in between these two? 4 years. Out of these 4 years, how many leap years are there? 2012 leap year, 2016 is again a leap year. But whereas 2012 లో మనకి ఎక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం? 30th July నుంచి చేస్తాం. ఆల్రెడీ 29th February ఈజ్ నాట్ కౌంటింగ్ నౌ. ఇప్పుడైతే మనం కౌంట్ చేయాల్సిన పని లేదు కదా. దెన్ ఇక్కడ మనకి 2016లో 29th Feb కౌంట్ అవుతుంది కదా. హెన్స్ 1 leap year will be there. Though literally there are 2 leap years, but whereas between these two, in only 1 year we are counting this 29th February, but whereas in one of the year we are not counting. Hence we need to consider only 1 leap year, 2016. Now 1 leap year అంటే ఎలా ఉండాలి? 4లో 1 leap year and 3 non-leap years. 1 leap year means 2, non-leap years 1, 3 into 1, 3 days. Now 2 plus 3, 5 days. And 5 days to Thursday. 5 days to Thursday, Tuesday, that is choice 1. సరిపోయిందా ట్యూస్డే చాయిస్ అమ్మ ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనం కౌంటింగ్ డైరెక్ట్గా చేస్తున్నాం ఎక్కడది ఇక్కడ నుంచి నా ఈ 4 years ఎన్ని లీప్ ఇయర్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఒకటి ఉంది 4 + 1 5 ఇప్పుడైనా మనకు 5 వస్తుంది ఇలా చేసినా మనకు 5 వస్తుంది డైరెక్ట్లీ యూ నీడ్ టు యాడ్ ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లీప్ ఇయర్స్ అండ్ టు ద ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇయర్స్ దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆడ్ డేస్ ఓకే ఏ కేసులోనే దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్వేస్ వ్యాలిడ్ దెన్ కమింగ్ టు 43 నౌ ఇన్ దిస్ 43 and 8 colleagues were there. Who are those 8? KL, MN, O, P, Q, and R. 8 colleagues KL, MN, O, P, Q, R. They are seated around a circular table facing the center. R is second to the right of M. M is here, R is second to the right of M. P and Q are immediate neighbors. Now P and Q are immediate neighbors. K and L are opposite to each other. K and L are opposite to each other. And L is seated second to the right of Q. Now this L is seated second to the right of whom? L is seated second to the right of Q. Q is here, L is here. And L is seated, N is seated second to the right of R. N is seated second to the right of R and O is not an immediate neighbor of N. Hence O cannot be in these two places. O is not an immediate neighbor of N. Then, and who is to the immediate right of O? As O is to the immediate right of O, then P and Q are adjacent to each other. As P and Q are adjacent or immediate neighbors, now P and Q are immediate neighbors and ekkada undali Q. Now can we have Q at this place? Now P and Q. Q ikkada unte P there is a possibility. Both these two persons must be together. And Q ikkada undochu, ikkada undochu, ikkada undochu. There are 3 possibilities. Now if you have Q at this place, then definitely P must be here. Then L is second to the right of Q annadu kada. L is sitting second. Appudu L ekkada avutadu. L ekkadaithe K and L are opposite to each other. K is here. Now if K is here, then who is the person left over? And O is not an immediate neighbor of N. Finally, we have O is at this place. Is it possible? No, it is not at all possible. Hence, Q cannot be at this place. Now tell me where should this Q be? Q ekkada undali cheppandi. Can we have Q at this place? Q ekkada unde chance లేదు. Ikkada unde L is second to the right of Q, not possible. Then what is the other possibility? Q is here. Q is here, L is here. L is here, P is here. Then which two are opposite? And K and L are opposite, K will be here. And O cannot be adjacent, O is here. Then who is to the immediate right of O? R. R that is given in choice 4, question number 43. Then next one 44. Now the word husband. Now husband is called as ABDHNSU. Now chesara leda? No. Letters, same letters were used. Then what is the order here? All these letters are arranged in the alphabetical order. And similarly housewife. Now in this housewife, then we need to arrange all the letters in the alphabetical order. Now choice 3. EEFH. Ikkada vachindi EEFH. And so choice 3, 44. Then coming to this 45. Now we need to find out the embedded figure into this embedded figure. Now select the option figure in which the given figure is embedded. That is not rotated. Not rotated here. Embedded which is not rotated. Then coming to question number 1. ఇందులో చూడండి ఎక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకోవాలి. Now choice 1 is ruled out. Choice 2 can we take or not? 2 తీసుకోవచ్చా? Now in this 2 ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం? We are starting here this way, isn't it? This way and finally like this. వస్తుందా లేదా? Yes, 2 and 2. Then again. Now in this one the length of this one is more when compared with this. కానీ ఇక్కడ చూడండి between these two. Now this line is similar to this length. And so what is your answer? Choice 3 is the answer. Then, and ఇది కూడా మనకి, now it must be the lengthiest. Choice 3, 45. Then 46. At 12 o'clock, the minute hand is pointing towards east. Minute hand is pointing towards east. As the minute hand is pointing towards east, then tell me what is your answer in this case. Minute hand is pointing towards east at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, these are the two positions. Isn't it? Both the hour hand and the minute hand will be like this. Now this is east antunadu. This east aithe. The entire compass was rotated by 90 degrees in the anti-clockwise. This east aithe idem avali cheppandi west avali. Idem avali south. And this is north. Then in which direction the hour hand is pointing? At what time? 4:30 anu. Now 4:30 ki ela untadi? This is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. Now 4:30 means exactly in between these two. Avuna kada? Now this hour hand will be exactly in between 4 and 5. Now this hour hand will be in between south and west, southwest. Now southwest, that is choice 2, question number 46. Done with this? Then next one, 47. Now in this 47, if TV is called radio and so on, then what tomato sauce made of? And tomato sauce is made up of tomato. Tomato is called furniture. Furniture, that is choice to 47. The next one, 48. Now in this 48, FHO. FHO and HJQ. FHO, HJQ. Now the difference plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And they get and B plus 2D, U plus 2, T plus 2. And in the same way, ask A plus 2, is C. That is choice to 48. Then coming to 49, Pooja correctly remembers that Mounika's birthday is after Monday but before Thursday. And the choices either Tuesday or Wednesday, 2 different days. And Lakshmi correctly remember that Mounika's birthday is after Tuesday but before. After Tuesday means it cannot be on Tuesday. Hence, it must be on Wednesday. Wednesday, that is choice 3, question number 49. And coming to this 50, in a certain code language, the word maestro, M-A-E-S-T-R-O. Now, M-A-E-S-T-R-O, M-A-E-S-T-R-O, maestro is written as V-T-Q-U-O, V-T-Q-U-O, V-T-Q-U-O-C-G. And in the same way, then how is the word English written in this? Now we need to find out the code given to the word English. Then, what is the logic in this one? Anyone please? M and this one. O and V. Now if you take O and V, what is the difference we have? Now here, first let us arrange. Now if you observe V, 2, T, Q and so on. Now, first if you arrange the letters in the alphabetical order. My letters in the alphabetical order arranges this is A, and next one is E, next one is M, R, S, T, O. And then tell me what is the difference we have. Now the difference between the letters A, M. A plus 2 and the is C. M, O. Now in this one, M-O-R-S-T. A-E-M-O-R-S-T-O. R-S-T-O. R-S-T. Then next one. A plus 2C. E plus 2Z. M plus 2 what? M plus 2 O. O plus 2 Q. R plus 2 T. S plus 2 U. And T plus 2 V. Neatly plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Again, they were arranged in different order. And in the same order, English 7 letters. And 7 letters. First change, first we need to arrange all the letters in the alphabetical order. And if you arrange all these in the alphabetical order, easy, I, L, N, easy H and easy H. Now easy H, I, L, N, S. Now first letter, A plus 2C and E plus 2G. Second from the right hand side. Next one for E. For E plus 2Z. N plus 2, N-O-P. N-O-P. Are you getting this one? Sorry, G plus 2. Now G plus 2. Now G plus 2 is what? G plus 2 is I. And next one, next change this letter. Third letter third from the right hand side. Now third from the right hand side, H plus 2 is what? I. And IGI. Do we have any choice like IGI? Now again, all these for all these letters, and they were arranged in the plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 only. A, E, M, O, R, S, T plus 2, E plus 2G, M plus 2 is O, and O plus 2 is Q, and R plus 2. R plus 2 is T, and S plus 2 is U, and so on. S, what is the order we have? Any order? Now first these letters should be arranged in the alphabetical order. Then, if is divided, S and U. And E plus 2G, A plus 2C, M plus 2. Now, so then the word is divided like this. And for the letters in the first, AEM, and A plus 2C, and E plus 2G, and M plus 2O. Then, and I plus 2 and I plus 2, it must be K. I, J, K. K must be at the center. Now K is at the center, and are we having any this here? I. And I plus 2, it must be K. I plus 2 must be K Raval. Then in this, T plus 2V, S plus 1T, R plus R minus 1Q, and OU, MNO, E minus 2, and A plus. And what is the order they are following here? A, E, M, O, R, S 2. For each of this one, we are having M, N, O, A plus 2, E plus. Now, M, A, E, S, T, R. M, A, E, S, T, R, O match true. And what is the code we have? V, T, Q, U, O, C, G. Now, M plus 2, O, A plus 2, C, E plus 2, G. S plus 2. T plus 2V and R plus 2 and O. That means the word is divided like this. For these three letters, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. For these three letters, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Middle letter is plus 2. And in the same way. Now, what is the code way? What is the word English? ENGLISH. Now, for this one, and LMN. Now, for these, for the first three letters, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. E plus 2 is G, N plus 2 is P, G plus 2 is I. And here I plus 2 is K, F plus 2 is U, H plus 2 is J. K, U, J, N, G, P, I, choice 2. Done? And for each of these letters, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, then they were written in the reverse order. Done?